Akshit, I'm hungry.
Don't worry, Janvi. I have an apple.
That's great, Akshit. But you should say I have an apple.
Why do we use an before apple?
We use an before words that start with a vowel sound, like an apple, an egg, an ink pot, an oven, an umbrella.
I got it, Janvi. Look, Janvi, the kite flies so high.
Nice, Akshit, but you should say a kite flies so high because you are talking about any kite.
Why do we use a before kite?
We use a before words that start with a consonant sound.
Examples: a book, a flower, a kite, a cup, a house.
Got it, Janvi. Let's go to the playground, Janvi.
Remember, Akshit, we say the playground because it's a specific place we are going to.
Why do we use the before playground?
We use the when we talk about a specific person or thing. Examples: the table is brown, the Red Fort is in Delhi.
Okay.
We also use the when we mention something again. The is used with both singular and plural nouns. Example: I saw a dog. The dog has long ears. She has a pet dog. The dog is brown.
Got it, Janvi. Let's go home, Janvi. I had a great time learning with you.
Me too, Akshit. Let's have more learning adventures tomorrow.